David, before we get into this weekend's runners, Greg has created a big impression first up at the Valley last Saturday. How's she pulled up and what's next for her?
Yeah, she's pulled up extremely well. We're looking at a similar race at the Valley over 1200. I think she's a real horses for courses horse. She'll get the Vobis Gold bonus, and she's heading towards the Guineas, so we're very excited about her.
There's a big weekend of racing ahead with some exciting spring contenders kicking off their campaigns, starting on Saturday at Flemington in race 2 with $2.80 favourite Great Esteem, who's a promising colt.
Yeah, I like this horse. We're hoping he's going to develop into a Golden Rose / Guineas horse, so you'd like to think he could be winning a race like this.
Race 3 over 2,000, Friday Hussey, a $15 chance from the Awkward Barrier, drawn 18.
Yeah, she has drawn badly, but she will love the 2,000. So she backs up well, and that's been the plan, to have a rock hard fit for a race like this.
Race 4, Columbus, is first up over the 1,000, has won at the distance, he's $21.
Yeah, he's a track and distance winner, lovely and fresh, extremely sound at the moment, should run well.
Race 5, Why Not, $17, runs over the 1,700. We didn't see the best of him in his first Australian prep. What can you tell us about him?
I'm thrilled with him. He looks like he's fully acclimatised now. He just struggled a bit his first prep in Australia. A lot of these imports do improve from their first to their second preps, and I feel he'd be a nice horse to follow and could pop up at each way odds.
Race 6, Rotham Heath, first emergency in this over the 1,400, looks to make his Australian debut. What are your expectations?
Look, he'll be running on strongly late, and I hope he gets in. He'd be a nice horse to follow as the races get to 2,000 metres.
Race 9, Mosse Diva steps up to the 1,400, a distance she has won 4 from 9 at, but does draw poorly in 16.
Yes, this poor girl can draw a bad barrier. When she ran second at Flemington at 1,400 last time she was there, she drew the outside and just got beat with Brett Preble. She'll go pretty close. It just makes it tough from that barrier.
Over the border to Morphettville, just the one runner there. First starter, Tips and Beers. Better be careful how we say that one. In race 2 over the 1,100.
Yes, this horse is a De Beers that'll probably be better over more ground, but he's eligible for Sabis bonus, so we've decided to go and try and get that in a maiden in Adelaide.
Sunday at Cranbourne in a 3-year-old maiden. There's a couple of talk about over the 1,000. Pink Jubilee, who ran well on debut.
Yeah, she did. She's a filly that's been dying for a run. She's been frustrated by getting balloted out and races meetings called off. She'll run well.
I Am Titanium in that, who we haven't seen since the Blue Diamond.
Yeah, promising horse. He's a Vobis Gold horse that we're going for the bonus with, and I think he's in for a very, very good prep.
So over the weekend, where are we heading for our best bet?
I think race 2 Flemington, Great Esteem, good horse resuming.